Hey guys, welcome back to the Zading Isley USA channel, and as you can see, I replaced the gear shifting knob like a couple days ago, but I did not buy the plastic cover. So like, I guess every time you replace the knob, you also have to replace the plastic cover. So I guess I ordered from Amazon and just came today. So I'm gonna replace the little plastic cover, so because like kind of like loose, not quite tight. And yeah, so for me to shift the move the shifter back to the one, I have to turn on the key and shift it back. Let me see. I don't know. I gotta put the brake on in case something happens. So turn on the car. You don't have to start. You just turn on the key and shift it back. Okay. And then we're gonna unscrew the two screw back right here. You can see the two screw right there. We're gonna unscrew that so I can take the. Let's see. Yep. We're gonna unscrew this one. As you can see. There's one. There's two. The second one. Be careful so you don't want to lose the screw, and then just pull. See. So now I have to take this little plastic cover off right here. Take it off. Oh, there you go. So okay, here you go, guys. The spring fell off. So I'm just throw the spring back in the little hole right here. Okay. And then put this just like that, snap back in. See? Look at this. Yeah. So here the new plastic cover. I think you buy the whole set, the knob and the cover for like $10. So yep, see, so looks so cheap, but so take that, pull this thing. Okay, as you can see, okay, just and then make sure the knob push all the way in. So here you go. Let's see. Yeah. Make sure you don't let the spring. There you go. Okay, gently put the plastic. Here you go. We'll snap it right in. Let's see. See, this will fit right into, yeah. So just hold the little knob down. Push the, just, I'm supposed to snap it in, but see, there you go. It's tight. Make sure it's tight. See, not loose no more. So make sure you want it all the way in, all the way in. Squeeze. Right, it should not be loose no more. But make sure it's not squeezing. So there you go. Look at that. See. And then now you put this alignment, that hole into this, make sure it's aligned. There you go. Right. There we go. So now I'm gonna put the alignment, the hole to this. Here you can see alignment, make sure it's snap in. Okay, then just put it back in here. Yeah, and you test it out. Put your foot on the brake, it should good. Okay, so the whole alignment very good. So I'll put the screw back on. One. So here's the screw. Look at that. Yep. Don't want to tie too tight. Just make sure the other one go in first, and then you can tie it up. So look at that. See. Make sure it's tight so the screw don't come loose. Okay. There you go, guys. Here you can see I can see no more loose plastic, so it's nice and it's okay. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys teach you guys something today. Pretty simple, not that hard. You know, if you something you can do it instead of taking to the auto shop, repair shops. It's gonna cost you like 10 times much more. So thank you, guys.